Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into Intel. We previously shared a report on our website on Monday, November 20, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Intel has shown significant growth, with a remarkable 17.3% gain since we recommended buying it just 12 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.44% since it was designated as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, it's uncertain which direction the stock will take. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even greater potential for growth. If there is a pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's peak of $42.22, providing a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $50.76, which may not be easily surpassed on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.61% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -15.96% to 5.34%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 38.05% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 1.83% to 27.40%. This suggests a price range of $45.56 to $57 after a year. Our latest update on Intel reveals some positive news: green day on Monday for Intel. On the last trading day, Intel's stock price increased by 2.12%, going from $43.81 to $44.74. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains, and it will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.63%, starting at a low of $43.78 and reaching a high of $44.93. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has risen by an impressive 17.89%, with gains in 7 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 5 million shares on the last day, with a total of 44 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.96 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume during a rise in prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Intel stock was $44.93, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the price stands at 0.42%, or $0.190, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 35.43%, or $24.55, below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. On Wednesday, November 15, 2023, Mizuho Securities also upgraded Intel and gave it a buy grade. However, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel to underperform and recommended a hold action. On the same day, HSBC upgraded its rating for Intel from hold to buy. Lastly, on Thursday, October 26, 2023, UBS maintained a neutral rating for Intel and recommended to hold the stock. Analysts have given Intel stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $41.29 and $37.17. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals may be issued. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 37.58% increase so far. It is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Although the stock gained prices, the volume fell during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning, indicating the need for close monitoring of the stock. Today, I'll be sharing some interesting signals with you. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which gives a buy signal. Pivots also indicate a buy signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average gives a sell signal 9 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 13 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gather more insights. The short moving average gives a buy signal 18 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 163 days ago. For more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When it comes to support, Intel has found a solid level at $43.35. This means that there is a buying opportunity, as we can expect the stock to react positively when this support level is tested. However, it's important to note that Intel can be a volatile stock, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying Intel as a high-risk investment. Looking at the past day, Intel's stock price moved between the high and low points by $1.15, or 2.63%. And over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 3.75%. Before we start discussing the potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin with some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures the current share price of a company in relation to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they are either experiencing losses or not making any profits. Even well-established companies face challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently has negative PE ratios, it could indicate inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report are at $0.420. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers because they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for Intel. When it comes to resistance, there isn't much standing in the way. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could see a swift upward movement. In such cases, you may consider entering a position and keeping an eye on volume to determine your exit strategy. On the other hand, if the stock takes a dip, it will encounter its first support level at $43.35. Should this support level hold, it could present a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Intel is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. made an insider buy transaction, purchasing 35,135 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 17,420 shares of common stock. On November 15, 2023, Gelsinger Patrick P. conducted an insider sell of 35,135 shares of restricted stock units. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David made an insider buy transaction, purchasing 6,502 shares of common stock. On October 31, 2023, Zinsner David conducted an insider sell of 3,224 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -32.067. In total, insiders have purchased 39,552,483 shares and sold 77,326,320 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $43.49, which represents a 2.8% decrease. It's important to note that this stock tends to have high daily movements, which brings a higher level of risk. The RSI 14, which measures the stock's relative strength, is currently at 85, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 17 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? While Intel holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it is more suitable to be considered a hold candidate or a position to accumulate, as we await further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 21st, we anticipate Intel to open with a decrease of $0.257, starting at $44.48. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.